Hello everyone, I'm the robotic engineer from SCGH, and today let me introduce you our H1500 how to line up. Okay, go here. And you can see in the back of the robot, here is a vision socket. This one is the vision socket too, and you can see this one is very big and plus plug to here, and it is the power wire, and when you plus here and click here and it will power on. And this one is encoder wire. Encoder wire, you need to press here, and when you plug in and try this, and this one is for the gas. You need to line up to the gas, and this one is line up to the I/O signal wire, and this one is the welding gun terminal. And also usually when you receive the robot, these two line is line up and go here. The cabinet, this one is very important, shown here. These three wire, L, N, and the ground, you need to line up it well. And after that, you can plug it, and the robot, you can open it. And when the power line is go green, and the robot will power off.